Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Waterfront lot with direct access to the Gulf of Mexico. Great location to build your new waterfront home or enjoy this lot's extra features just the way it is. Owners just added a new seawall, including a unique bonus feature of a concrete boat ramp so you can easily launch small boats, kayak or paddleboard, plus a carport and outbuilding shed. With Hernando County Water Utility Service, make this a one-of-a-kind Hernando Beach lot. This location has no Homeowners Association fees or deed restrictions. Explore nearby tourist attractions like Buccaneer Bay and Weeki Wachee Spring, home of the famous Mermaids, with river access for kayaking and tubing. Nearby beaches like Pine Island Beach and Hernando Beach is renowned for its tarpon fishing. Enjoy a quick commute to Central Florida's famous theme parks and the #1 voted Clearwater Beach. This area boasts miles of bike trails, horseback riding, and motocross, with various golfing options. You'll also appreciate the convenience of nearby shopping, restaurants, and medical facilities on US 19 and SR 50. For travelers, this location offers easy access to Tampa and St. Petersburg airports. The Tampa Bay area is known for its year-round pro and college sports teams, rich culture, theater, museums, and cruise ship terminals. Minutes away from the Gulf of Mexico, with thousands of acres of nature preserves and wildlife habitats, caters to outdoor enthusiasts year-round. Make this Florida dream home site your own. The small attached boat dock is being sold as is.